everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today to show you guys some goodies that I received from a company by the name of Liberex. Now, they reached out to me and asked me to pick 2 to 3 items out for reviewing purposes. So today, basically, I'm going to show you what exactly I got. I'm not going to actually demonstrate how to use each one, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got, let you guys know what they do and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So of course, make sure you guys check the description box below for the links to all 3 products that I received from Liberex. But before I show you guys what they sent me, I do want to get into a little bit of details about what Liberex is, what their mission is, and all that good stuff. So I'm reading off their website. So basically, Liberex is a brand committed to promoting a healthy and natural lifestyle with innovative personal care products engineered for an everyday beauty routine. Our wide range spans skin, body, and hair care, as well as customized beauty tools inspired by natural energy, enhanced by humanized design, and perfected by cutting-edge technology. Liberex has gained strong support among influencers and loyal consumers alike all around the world. We believe that beyond clear, radiant skin, pure sparkling beauty unleashes the charm and confidence within you. Liberex is dedicated to helping customers look and feel their best using high-performing products that we develop. Quality and user experience will always be at the core of the Librex range. With the view to building the Librex care community, we are making it our mission to change how people feel about themselves from inside out, beginning with a completely fresh start. Librex will continue to strive in providing high quality and affordable self-care products which are the next level and empower our consumers with reimagined beauty. We love what we do. So pretty much Liberex have products for skincare and hair care. So I picked out 3 items. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked out. So first, this is the portable oral irrigator. So I am going to take each one out of the box so you guys can see how they look. The next one is the Blackhead Remover vacuum. And this one is a skin scrubber 4-in-1 facial care device. Okay. So each item, of course, came in a box. So I'm going to take them out and show you guys exactly how they look. So first, this is the skin scrubber. So of course, it comes with a the little USB cord, more than likely for charging purposes. And then this is how the facial scrubber looks. I can't turn it on, of course, because I have not charged it or anything, but this is how it looks. This is the facial scrubber, the 4-in-1. So you take it off, and this is the metal part where you basically, I assume, you will use to scrub your face with. And then that's the power button, and this is another button. I'm not too sure what it is. And then, of course, it has this part where you plug it up and use it or charge it. All right, so the Liberex LCD facial skin scrubber retails for $24.99. Basically, what this scrubber does is a 4-in-1 ultrasonic facial scrubber, which uses a combination of high-frequency ultrasonic oscillation technology perfect for lifting and exfoliating. The unique dual vibrating stainless steel blade launches 2,400,000 vibrations per minute, which ensures complete atomization and deep cleansing. The ion positive/negative feature contributes to driving out dirt and oil and enhances the absorption of skincare products. The facial scrubber features 4 modes, each specialized by different needs. Clean, exfoliate, moisturize, and lift. Adjustable 3 gears ensure optimal intensity, which makes it suitable for all skin type. Gently simulates facial massages, tightening skin, lifting facial contours, and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Large ACD screen shows current mode, gear, and battery remains. But they have directions on how to use it for deep cleaning, how to use it, using it with essence, lotion, or a mask, how to use it as soothing massage, and how to clean it, of course. So next is the Blackhead Remover vacuum. I looked on the website and I don't see it listed, so I don't know if it is sold out or what. So I'm just gonna read whatever is on the box, of course. So again, this one comes with the USB cord as well. And of course, a little booklet with instructions like the other one came with. This is how it looks. Now, I didn't state, like, this is some really nice looking stuff that they have, okay? So they have 4 of the little plastic thing that you put at the end. So they have a medium suction head, oval suction head, microcrystalline suction head, and a light therapy head. Powerful vacuum suction tech, safe and effective air pump, visual LCD display, 5 intensity levels, and light therapy. It has a blue light wavelength, which is 450 to 460 nm, kills agony and tightens skin. Then it has a red light wavelength, 620 to 630 nm, increases blood flow and collagen production. And then next is the portable oral Regulator. So this is how this one looks. And then in here, it has a little bag. It has the USB cord in there as well. And then it has some other stuff in here. This one I might actually give to my brother because he said he needed one. And I said, more than likely, I'm probably not gonna use it. So I might give it to him. But of course, according to the website, for the, I don't see it on the website. I could be overlooking. Okay, so I went ahead, I found the email and I was able to find it. So for the water flosser, it's $34.99. And the Blackhead Remover is not on the site, so I'm not too sure how much that one cost. Okay, not too sure. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have ever heard of Liberex. And if you have, let me know if you've ever tried their products. How did you like them? What did you try? All of that good stuff. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.